What's up, guys? With my girlfriend Jen, and we're on the way to go pick up a snowmobile. We're in Marquette, Michigan. I forget the name of the dealership, but we're just a few minutes away now, and really excited to see this sled. Don't even have a trailer or anything, but just gonna throw it in the box of the truck.
I'm sorry, man.
There's signs back there, dude.
I didn't see it, honestly.
They're on the telephone poles.
Oh.
I want people's names.
This thing's scary. I feel like I'm gonna go backwards. Doesn't it feel like it's just gonna keep going?
It's like a full car.
Yeah. It's sketchy. I'm scared to hold it. I'll play on this for another minute. You alright? What happened? Were you trying to do that, or did it happen?
It didn't work right.
Where? Oh, sorry about that.
Jail time back. That's $3,000.
What's that?
That swamp's protected, man.
I didn't know that. I'm sorry,
There's
man.
signs back there, dude.
I didn't see it, honestly.
They're on the telephone poles.
Oh,
I want people's names. I'm serious. You guys have done this multiple times.
yeah, I've never
Do
been
you
here.
ride? Are you swamp siders?
No. We're not even from here.
What? Why would you do that, man?
I don't know. I apologize,
I know
man.
you guys want to fucking ride. I know it's a lot of fun, but I'm pissed about this. I had to come down here and try to catch you guys. There's no numbers. I don't know how to identify you guys and talk to you.
Yeah.
And you guys do it on New Year's Eve. It ruins my holidays.
No, man, I promise you, this is our first time
Have you
here.
guys been here before?
I've never even been within 100 miles of here.
All right.
This is our
Do
first
these
time.
guys know? Do they know?
Yeah, I'll let them know.
All right. If you see somebody, man, I'm pissed.
No, I apologize. I understand.
Every freaking year.
I
And
understand,
this year,
man.
They went way up by my house. They're
No,
tearing up all that swamp, and I'm trying to fix that land.
I know.
And
I
I'm getting ready to bring in fence posts, and I'm putting in barbed wire.
No, I would too, man. I
Okay.
apologize. I didn't see the signs. We won't do it again.
Because you guys just tore the hell out of it again. And that I've been fucking working my ass off.
No, I'm sorry, man. I own property too. I'd be pissed someone did the same thing.
Because this is not really, you guys aren't supposed to be down here. You're supposed to be on the actual trail from what I read of the rules.
Uh-huh.
You guys aren't supposed to be up here.
I guess I'm not sure. I'll go
But
talk
I mean,
to the
no
guys.
one's gonna arrest you for doing it. No one knows who it is. Because
Yeah.
there's people getting their fences cut.
Uh-huh.
And their cows are getting out and all kinds. Like, I mean, this is getting to be a lot of problem.
No, I understand, man.
All right, man. Thank
I
you for
apologize.
Hey, I thank
I'm
you
sorry
for
about that.
stopping.
We won't come back this way.
All right.
I missed
mean,
the
if
sign.
you're gonna come through here, you need to be on the road.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? But this is state property.
Uh-huh.
But right on that corner, that's private.
Right where like that orange fence
Yeah,
is?
where you guys went around those poles and all that swamp, that's all private land.
Okay.
And then it's public. Once you go around the corner, that's all public.
Okay.
again. But there are other people up there, so I don't know the
Yeah.
rules around here. But that's private land, man.
No,
All right,
I'm
thank
sorry
you
about that.
for
I
stopping.
appreciate
Sorry
it.
for being an asshole.
No, you're all right, man.
All
Well,
right, brother.
if we come back this way, we'll go around.
Thank you. If you see somebody, try to relay it, man.
No. All right, man.
brother.
You have a good one. Sorry about that. That'll make for a good clip on Yeah, I'm good. Watch out, watch out. Catch it! That's funny. Yeah, he likes to wheelie. My GoPro died, didn't record this.
Ended up running late last night. It got dark, so I didn't really get any of that footage. But pulled sleds in, got the new Khaos, and still have the Assault. Honestly, first impressions, I got like 120 miles on it so far. I love it. It performed amazing. I still have to dial in the suspension a little bit. That's what I think I'm gonna try to do now. But it wheelies a lot better than this. I do like the front end. This has a 39-inch kit, if you guys don't know, but this is 36 adjustable to 38. So it's at 36 right now, and I can definitely feel the narrowness of it. I mean, it feels different, easier to side hill. I like the gripper skis versus these trail skis. Those are a lot better also. The handlebars, these are actual mountain bars. Like, everything about it I love so far. The storage is another nice thing for the Matrix compared to the Axis. You have all that storage there. You can actually fit stuff, water bottles and everything like that, versus the Axis. That's all you have. You can't even fit a pair of goggles in there. I mean, this, I had my GoPro bag, a water bottle. I think I had a pair of gloves and extra face mask. You can definitely fit more stuff in there. But love the sled. Stay tuned.